In this video, I'm going to show you all the steps to take when installing Windows 10. To understand what we're going to be doing, in short, we are going to download a program from Microsoft to put Windows on a USB flash drive, which will then plug into your computer and boot from it. To do this, you'll need access to a computer running Windows and a USB stick with 8GB or more. I don't have any USB sticks, so I'm going to use this external hard drive. It'll work the exact same way, it'll just be a bit quicker. So the first thing you want to do is type Windows 10 download into Google and click on the link that has the Microsoft.com in it. It'll then bring you to this page that says download tool now. Click that to download the Windows 10 Creator tool, and then click open once it's finished downloading. Now minimize the browser and you should see this. Once it is set up, click create installation media. You can leave this page default. Now it will ask you which media you want to use. Before you click next, make sure to plug in the USB stick that you want to install Windows 10 to. Please note, any data stored on this drive will be erased, so make sure there are no important files on there and it's clean before you install it. Now it will give you an option to select what USB flash drive you want to install Windows to. Click on it and press next and wait for that to install. Once it's finished, you can then pull it out and plug it into the machine you want to install Windows 10 on. Now turn on the computer and enter the boot menu key. This laptop's was F12, but it could also be F2 or the delete key. If you're not sure what your boot menu key is, then Google it, it should come up. Now select the USB stick that you want the computer to boot to. Once you're on this page, click next and then install now. Here it will ask you for a product key. If you have it, you can type it in here, or if you don't, just click I don't have a product key. You can activate Windows once it's installed. Now you can choose what edition of Windows you want. Normally you should go for Windows 10 Home, but I'm going to install the Pro version. You'll then be asked what type of installation you would want, upgraded or custom. I'm going with the second option because it's a fresh install. Now you're going to be asked where to install Windows 2. I'm going to pick this drive. If this pops up saying the disk is not part of the GPT partition style, the video to fix this problem is in the description. Then click next and it should start installing. Once the computer's turned off, you can then unplug the USB stick and wait for Windows to finish installing. To see how to upgrade your laptop RAM, the video is here, and I'll see you in the next video.